the shining light that we bear. We're the only ones to make her brighter, the only ones to make her better, the only ones to make Anambra shine. With our sweat and blood, every
and welcome to Umueze, Adani Road Junction. This road is 2.9 kilometers, and this road runs off from Nando Aguleri Road to Adani Road. This road was conceived because of the intending University of Education that is coming up, Omokete, so that it can decongest the Tourist Garden Junction, because that's why the road came up. The road was awarded in 2018 to IDC Construction Company, and we've fully mobilized IDC, and they are doing very well, His Excellency. And His Excellency, I want to tell you that the community, they are very cooperative. We had issues initially with crop compensation, and it be sorted out. Your Excellency, you are welcome. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. Thank you for the visit. We were awarded 2 roads in Aguleri. Umueze is one of them, and Eziagolo is the other one. This road passed through a swampy area, and thank God we have finished the culverts and the filling and the concrete work. And we are planning to allow the earthwork to rest, and by the beginning of the dry season we'll lay the asphalt. While now we are embarking on the second road, doing earthwork, and soon we will start the drainage work.
Aguleri community, we want to appreciate the Executive Governor of Anambra State for the great things he's been doing around this area. We appreciate him more because of the roles he's been doing in this area within Anambra State, not only Aguleri. We pray that God in His infinite mercy will shower blessings on him and his family. However, we want to appeal to him that the inland areas of Aguleri still needs road link. Thank you, and God bless you.
Again, that's part of the tour of the Anambra North on the ongoing roadworks there. Yesterday and the day before yesterday, we were at the central and south senatorial districts of Anambra State. Just like you have seen, the lowest common multiple in all the roads we're doing now is where they lead to. Very important areas, agrarian areas, so that farmers can bring out their food. This one, in addition to going through agrarian area, is going straight to the University of Education that the Senate recently approved. So the students will have a very beautiful road to commute to and from, and that's a plus for owners of land in this environment and what have you. So progress is coming gradually all over the place, and we thank God for that. I will encourage you to keep supporting the expatriates that are working here. They are doing great work in this environment, and you must support them, protect their interests, and prevent any form of theft of their equipment or anything, or to them, any threats to their person or anything. I will deal ruthlessly with anybody that tries to molest any of the side people working here. These people left a long distance to come here to help you build your society. So all you need to do to them is to be grateful, and to the administration and to the people. Whatever. When you're not Malayan, whatever.